We chose to make a wedding album because then our memories would always be easily accessible. It's something that we can keep on our coffee table, and it's so easy to then show our family and friends when they come and visit our memories of our special day, as opposed to having them on a computer. I really enjoyed using the RapidStudio software because I didn't have to be an expert in graphic design or a photographer to produce a beautiful album.
Yeah, I mean, the quality of this photo book is just unbelievable. But it's just absolutely exquisite.
Really easy to upload your photos and move them around and change your layouts, and so yeah, I really enjoyed the process of making our wedding album. It's quite remarkable actually, the love and care that goes into the production of these albums. I really love the variety of options that RapidStudio offers in terms of your album covers. So we've gone with genuine leather, which just looks absolutely stunning with the black and white photo. And there's a variety of options that you can choose, different sizes, different page thicknesses. And yeah, we just loved the process of making our wedding album. What I really love about a wedding album is that it really brings the photographs to life. One can get quite overwhelmed by the number of photos you get from your wedding day. It just brings them to life. Those memories just come flooding back.
Just finished so beautifully.